Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ बेला वीटा लग्जरी का स्काई एक्वेटिक eau de cologne परफ्यूम का रिव्यू शेयर करने वाली हूँ। सो लेट्स बिगिन। बिफोर वी डू सो मेक श्योर कि आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, यू हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन एंड यू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। एंड नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So let's talk about the packaging first, and this one comes in this white box with golden details on it। यहाँ पे Bella Vita Luxury लिखा है, then the name of the perfume and the eau de cologne concentration। This is a 100 ml bottle which costs for 699 rupees। साइड में परफ्यूम के कुछ नोट्स एंड परफ्यूम का ओवरऑल जिस्ट लिखा हुआ है। पीछे की तरफ हाउ द परफ्यूम लुक्स लाइक उसका एक डिस्प्ले आपको यहाँ पे दिया है। एंड वेरी होलसम काइंड ऑफ अ पैकेजिंग विद प्रॉपर डिटेल्स। यहाँ पे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, प्राइसिंग एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट इज मेंशन्ड। Now talking about the bottle itself, it comes in this very beautiful rectangular ombre effect glass bottle। ये लाइट ब्लू से ऐसे डार्क रॉयल ब्लू की तरफ कलर का ombre effect जा रहा है with golden cap on it and the details are also in golden। The packaging is super luxe। It feels like it is so well made and so well thought। The ombre effect gives it a very designer vibe as well। And open करने पे this is how the atomizer looks like। मैं 2 से 3 स्प्रेज आपको करके दिखाऊंगी टू शो यू हाउ द एटोमाइजर इज वर्किंग। So as you can see, the atomizer diffuses the product really well। and इसका ना थोड़ा continuous सा spray है। I really like the quality of the atomizer in here। For the price that you're paying, I think the quality is just super top notch। This one, like I said, is 100 ml for 699, and if you go to their website, you can even find it at around 500 because there are so many discounts on their website and you can avail them and get this at the best price। Now let's talk about the category of this fragrance। Now this is a kind of like a very zesty, juicy, green and marine kind of a fragrance। It definitely has like elements of fruitiness, some citrusiness going on, and a lot of aquatic marine freshness in here। Let's talk about the notes breakdown। The top notes are bergamot, coriander, mandarin and pineapple। Middle notes are clary sage, lavender, leather, pink pepper। Base notes of ambergris, moss, patchouli। इसका जो टॉप नोट है उसमें पाइनएप्पल और मैंडरिन ऑरेंज की वजह से एक बहुत ही प्रोमिनेंट जूसीनेस आता है। एंड द bergamot in this just creates a blast of a citrusiness in this fragrance। इसका ओपनिंग इतना फ्रेश, जूसी, जेस्टी और इतना ब्राइट है कि दिस लिटरली फील्स लाइक अ सनराइज काइंड ऑफ अ सिचुएशन। एक हैप्पीनेस इन अ बॉटल वाला फील आता है इसमें बिकॉज दिस जस्ट हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ positive energy coming, a very bright zestiness which is very fresh and something that you want to start your day with। I just love the opening of this fragrance। इसके मिडिल नोट्स में एक परफेक्ट बैलेंस आता है क्योंकि उसमें थोड़ा सा हर्बल टच, थोड़ा सा कामिंग इफेक्ट है लैवेंडर और क्लैरी सेज का। उसकी वजह से एक ग्रीन एलिमेंट, एक अर्थी एलिमेंट इसमें ऐड होता है, एक मेच्योरिटी ऐड होती है। एंड द होल थिंग गेट्स रियली टाइट टुगेदर विथ सम पिंक पेपर एंड लेदर। Now leather in this fragrance is not at all a challenging note for me because the fragrance is supremely well blended। आपको बिल्कुल पता नहीं चलेगा कि बैकग्राउंड में एक लेदर नोट भी काम कर रहा है जो एक काइंड ऑफ लाइक मॉसी मरीननेस को निखार रहा है। वो आपको नहीं पता चलेगा बट इट इज़ देयर इन द बैकग्राउंड एंड इट इज़ एक्टिंग सो ब्यूटिफुली बिकॉज दैट्स वॉट इज गिविंग अ न्यू कैरेक्टरिस्टिक टू दिस फ्रेग्रेंस। बेस नोट्स में इसमें एम्बरग्रिस, मॉस, पचूली है। Patchouli is known to make the fragrance mature and green and earthy and slightly woody, and that's exactly what patchouli is doing here। Moss again adds to a lot of green elements in this। And now let's talk about ambergris, which is one of the most talked about fragrance note in the perfume industry। ambergris का जो actual origin है, it is an animaletic origin। It is found in the sperm whales का intestine and it's kind of like a grey waxy material जिसको थोड़ा सा ड्राई करते हैं। ड्राई करने के बाद उसमें वो एक marine, mossy, animaletic वाला एक अरोमा जनरेट होता है एंड उसका एक्सट्रैक्ट यूज़ होता है परफ्यूम्स में. ऑफ कोर्स इसमें वो एनिमल डिराइव्ड एक्सट्रैक्ट यूज़ नहीं हुआ है, इसमें एक सिंथेटिक कंपोनेंट यूज़ हुआ है विच स्मेल्स एग्जैक्टली सेम लाइक ambergris. So there is a synthetic ambergris present here, but it is doing its job of making this fragrance kind of like a mossy, kind of like giving that enhancing leather by giving that kind of like animalistic feel to it with lots and lots of marine aquatic feel in this fragrance. If I have to kind of like summarize my thoughts around it, this reminds me of my trip to Kovalam. Like I went to Kovalam beach and that was the best family trip that I had a very relaxing time with my family. We enjoyed our beach time, and me and my mom, we were like sitting beach side way for hours, and we were just chatting and talking and having the time of our lives. That is like one of the best moments in my life. Like, you know, this fragrance has that calming, soothing effect, just like the effect that you get when you visit a beach. So that's how beautiful this fragrance feels. And you know, it's very nostalgic also, because it also has another angle to it because of the zestiness that's present in this. It feels like the synthol green soap that we used to use during our 90s. That is just a nostalgic feel for me, and this is kind of like, you know, this reminds me of that soap also. You know, this just ignites like the 90s kids in me. So definitely I've been loving this, enjoying this with a lot of nostalgia kicking in. I think I am just heads over heels in love with this fragrance. This one is a perfect unisex fragrance and a perfect one to be worn during office hours. This is kind of like calming, sophisticated, elegant, and apart from all of this, it has a very formal feel to it. Like this is perfect to be worn in formal occasions. And you know, it is neither too sweet, it is neither too spicy, it is kind of like the perfect balance out there. That's why it just feels like a perfect unisex fragrance, and this just makes it perfect for office wear. So 5 to 6 sprays of this eau de cologne gives me around 6 to 7 hours of longevity. So I consider this as a good longevity. Consider like one spray equal to 1 hour. So you can adjust how long lasting you want to make this perfume. Now this is definitely a projecting kind of a fragrance, because whenever I was walking past any of my colleagues, they were stopping and asking me and telling me that, oh my god, you are like, you know, you are smelling like a breath of fresh air. And that is such a huge compliment, because this fragrance has that airiness, that you know, breezy, airy quality to it. It's very fluffy. The name Sky Aquatic is like the apt name for it, because it has this cooling effect, it has this calming effect, it has a fluffy airiness to it. It feels like you know, बारिश होने के पहले जब वो थोड़े से बादल घिर के आते हैं ना, वो जो फ्रेग्रेंस है वो कैप्चर हुआ है इसमें. सो आई जस्ट हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ अ फ्रेशी फील विद दिस फ्रेग्रेंस, एंड आई हैव बीन loving the way it smells on me. Coming to sillage, it definitely fills the room. If you have oversprayed this, definitely it's going to immediately fill the room. If you have used less number of sprays, it's likely going to be a slow sillage, but it will still fill the room. So as you all know, I'm not someone who is like a freshy lover, but somehow this fragrance has kind of made me rethink my choices and decisions. And it may be that, you know, I'm evolving my taste with new kind of fragrances, because these days I'm not just about gourmand fragrances. I am exploring florals, I'm exploring freshies, and to my surprise, I have loved this fragrance. And I am like, you know, since the day I got it, I've not been able to put it down. Like every single day I am reaching out for it. So that's a big achievement for me to gravitate towards a freshy fragrance. And that is the reason I'm giving the rating of 10 out of 10 for me. I'm so impressed with this fragrance that these days I am not using a Davidoff Cool Water. This is the one that I'm gravitating for. So this just speaks volumes about this fragrance. So that brings us to the end of the video. I've consolidated all my thoughts about this perfume. I really feel that this is the kind of fragrance which should be present in everybody's wardrobe. At least one freshy fragrance you need to have, be it men or women, you need to explore this one. I'm highly vouching for this fragrance because I have fallen in love with it. That brings us to the end of the video. If you liked the video, then do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next one. Bye.